Oh, I got one. Right there. Oh, that's a big one. Yeah. A nice sized one too. That's a big one. I got him by the gill. Yeah. And by the mouth. That's a good one. He's huge. Yeah. Yeah. Is he bigger than the one you caught that one time? No. Did you have the size of it? No, he's a little bit bigger than half. He's hooked good. Stop moving. I'm trying to get a stupid hook out of you. No. Wow, my line just snapped. Yeah. Are you using braided? No. Oh. Got it. Look at that. Good size too. Yeah. You gonna keep him? Yeah, I don't know. I swear, bro, these fish are crazy. Look at that. I don't know if you can see it very well. Nice size. Pretty decent size. Yeah. I think I'm gonna just release him. So I can get bigger. Ow, let go of me. There he goes. There you go, bud. Off goes the bass. There's one. There's my slingshot camera holder. What? Why? They keep taking my bait and then they'll replace it with something. They what? They keep taking my bait and putting leaves on my hook. Are you sure you're not just hooking leaves? Yeah, I'm sure. Okay, Boomer. That's one bass. And it was a big bass, so that's worth 5 points. Oh, we're having a competition? Yeah. Bro, I'm just trying to catch little fish right now. Well, I told you. Didn't notify me of this yet. Yeah, I did. Well, now I'm going to catch the grass carp. There's more than one carp, you know. No, I'm going to catch a grass carp. You said you're going to catch the grass carp. Yeah, the grass carp. Bro, what the heck? What? This stupid freaking setup. Ugh. Bait stinks. Like a bass. Stayed on for a second. There's a big bat. There's a bigger fish over there. I don't know if you can see it on camera, but it's over there. I caught that one right offshore. I always catch big bass right offshore. Right when I'm not expecting it. When I start reeling fast and stuff. There's a turtle. Alright, I guess that'll be all. I have a stupid mask on to keep the mosquitoes out of my face. That's all it'll be all. Make sure you like and subscribe. Share the video. Make sure you hit the bell. Thanks for watching. Bye.